Hi everyone. I've been a little busy today. So here I'm planted some red sail lettuce and some kale. You got some chives, and I'm trying to keep my parsley alive. We had some snow the other day and it was 22 degrees. So yeah, that was nasty weather. Well, they all kind of died, but it is what it is. I got some oregano and some kale right there. And I'm going to show you how to make an excellent potting mix inside here. So, and today, this is what we're going to be growing. Well, planting some lettuce. What's nice about this is I could have it right up my deck. And then when I want a salad, I could just come out here and pick, and I don't have to go all the way in the back. So let me show you what I'm using. Now this stuff was terrible, a potting mix, and I used that all the way in the bottom. There's a lot of tree, not a lot of it's not a lot of compost or anything. A lot of trees, a lot of sticks, not much soil. I kind of mixed that up and took a lot of the stuff out. So I'm using that in the bottom because that's going to keep my moisture in these pots. Now, what I'm growing in, it's called City Pickers Garden Kit. So that's what I'm using. But I do my own thing. I don't listen to everybody. So, but you live and learn, and there we go. So I put that in the bottom, and let me show you some of the other stuff I am using. So I will top it off with earthworm castings, because what I found out is when you use earthworm castings, it really helps root growth. So I want the earthworm castings near my roots. I'm also, by my roots, I'm going to be putting rooting powder. Why? Because I found out when I grow my vegetables, you want a deep root system, and that stuff really helps. My potting mix I'm going to use is from back to the roots. That is right here. I'm also going to be adding some peat moss, some perlite, and with my earthworm castings to top it off, I'm using microgrow container mix. And I'll be using chicken manure as a fertilizer. And Joey's gonna over here, he's gonna hold my camera. And I'm gonna show you how I do the mix and I'm gonna talk. You get that a little bit closer, Joe. So here I have the mix with the potting mix I showed you. Now what I do is I add some perlite. That is right here. And what I do is just I dump a whole bunch in. Oh. So once I get that, I put some, I'm gonna mix this up a little bit. There we go. The next thing I'm gonna add is some peat moss, because it takes a lot of water. If I don't want so much water where I'm gonna be overwatered in my plants. So I have peat moss and it holds water very well. And it's right here. Try not to move the camera. And then I just dump this in here like this. Then from there, I add some more perlite. And I just add a little bit in there. Because you want all that rainwater to go through your roots. And there I just mix it up. This right here is for watering. So the water, if I wanted to add water, I could just add water right there. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is this. Back to the roots potting mix. So I'm going to dump this whole thing in there. then, what am I going to be adding? Well, some more peat. And then I mix together again. I mix it. This is very rich. I might not have to add anything else to this. And then what I do right after that is I add some Earthworm Castings, because that's what really helps with the roots. So I'm going to pour a whole bunch of that in. Oh, this got wet. So I dump that in there. And what do I add? I add some more peat. And then I just mix this together. This is soaking wet. I'm not going to have to add anything to this. This is already to the top. And I'm talking about water. I just pat that down. Hopefully Joey's not showing my face. And then what I add, I'm not going to add my other container mixer, maybe a little bit, because it's a little dry. Let me do that. Because the only reason I'm using this is because it is soaked. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of this. Not too much. It's more like just topping it off. And I'll mix this all the way around. And here I have 12 things of lettuce. So I'm going to be having 4 rows of 3. So 1, 2, whoop, I miscounted already, Joe. Whoops. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And what I do is I add this rooting powder. And I just sprinkle a little bit in, like that. Using chicken manure really helps. You're eating lettuce, all that moisture and all the vitamins go right to your plant. So here's my romaine lettuce. So gotta have the cause lettuce. So I just put them in like that. 1, 2, 3. And I gradually just go like that. One, two, 3. Nice and simple. Anybody could do this. I'm going to show you how I do it in a grow bag. I've been showing that every year, which is amazing. And it's nice and simple. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hang in there, guys. We're almost done. And the last 3. 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be nice growing this. And right before dinner, I could just come here and eat quick. If I need to go to work, I can just grab this quick. It's going to be great for moisture control and I got all the vitamins I need in it. Jojo, thanks for doing the camera.
You're welcome.
That was awesome. So there's my romaine lettuce. Nice and simple, very quick to do. That's my red sales lettuce and my kale. And this is awesome. I also have some rosemary here. Got some sage and some dill. Now dill is very, very thin. I don't know, you guys not gonna be able to see it, but this is the first time I actually grew dill. Look at the roots, they're just very, very small, very thin. Okay guys, well, I hope to see everybody for Sunday, fun day. It's gonna be an epic Sunday. Hope I could bring smiles and laughs to everybody. And God bless you guys. Take care. Have a good night.